Hello there, plant lovers! Welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, welcome, and I hope you will consider to hit the subscribe button below, hit the all bell, and so you will be notified for my next video. Thank you so much. Split-leaf philodendron, or Swiss cheese plant, has a botanical name Monstera Deliciosa. Monstera are species of evergreen tropical vines and shrubs that are native to Central America. The name Monstera may derive from the Latin word monstrum, meaning monster, which is actually reference to the leaves. On the other hand, deliciosa means delicious, is actually refers to the edible fruit of this plant. Yes, these plants bear fruits, though they rarely flower or produce edible fruit, especially if grows indoors. This plant thrives in bright to medium indirect light. Water every 1 to 2 weeks and let the soil to dry out between watering. Expect water more often in brighter light and less often in lower light. Monstera Deliciosa is actually mildly toxic to humans and pets, but if the foliage is being consumed, it can cause oral irritation, pain and swelling of mouth, tongue, and lips, excessive drooling, vomiting, and difficulty swallowing. So the best practice is always to keep houseplants out of reach of small children and pets. So there you have it, plant lovers. I hope you learned something from today's video. May you be happy, may you be well, may you be safe, may you be peaceful, and may the Holy Spirit continue to protect you and your loved ones today and always. See you there!